In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz with AI in Jotform. By the end, you'll have a clean multiple choice quiz generated with AI and a simple, automatic scoring system using a built-in widget. Start by logging into your Jotform account so you're on the dashboard. Click Create Form and choose AI Form Builder. This tool will write the quiz for you based on a prompt, so use clear instructions. In the prompt box, type something like, create a 10-question multiple choice quiz about basic computer knowledge. Each question should have 4 answer options. You can swap in any topic or difficulty level, but keep the structure concise so the AI knows exactly what to produce. Then click Generate Form and let Jotform build it. Once the form is created, review each question. Make sure the wording matches your audience, confirm that each item is set to single choice for one correct answer, and check that you have 4 options per question. This is also a good moment to fix typos, adjust difficulty, and ensure every question is required so respondents can't skip them. If the AI produced something you don't love, simply edit the text directly in the form builder. With the questions in place, it's time to set up scoring. Since quiz mode is gone, the current approach is to use the form calculation widget to total correct answers. Open Form Elements, go to the Widgets tab, search for Form Calculation, and add it to your form. Click the widget to open its settings. The calculator will sum numbers from your questions, so you'll first assign numeric values to each answer. For each question, select the field and assign a number to every option. Give the correct choice a value of 1 and each incorrect choice a value of 0. This tells the calculator how to treat responses. Back in the form calculation settings, include each question field in the calculation so the widget adds them together. The result is an automatic total score, where a perfect 10-question quiz yields a maximum of 10 points. You can rename the calculation field to something like score to keep your form organized and place it where you want the final tally to appear. That's it. You used AI to generate a complete quiz, refine the content, and added automatic scoring with the form calculation widget. It's a fast, reliable way to build graded assessments in Jotform without needing the old quiz mode.